Hello students, welcome to the maths class for standard 5th. I'm your maths teacher Anupma Bhyana. Today we are going to start with the chapter 5th, multiples and factors. Before starting this chapter, see I am explaining you what is a multiple. A multiple of a number is divisible by the number. It means, my dear children, listen carefully. I am telling you in simple language. Suppose if you have to find out multiples of 2, it means you will write table of 2. Okay. If you have to find out multiples of 3, means you will write table of 3. Means in simple language, multiple means you have to write the table. Okay. Now see, what are even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. For example, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like. Okay dear? Now what are odd numbers? Numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like this. Now see, next is, what is a factor? Factor of a number divides the number exactly. Now see, simple example I am giving you. If you have to find out factors of 4, then you have to see 4 is going in which table. First of all, we can say we can divide this 4 by 1. Then we can divide 4 by 2 and then by the number itself, means 4 only. Means factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. मतलब factor means वो नंबर किस किस टेबल में जाता है, that is called factor. एक तो अपने खुद के टेबल में जाता है. सी लास्ट नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, अ नंबर इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ इटसेल्फ. इटसेल्फ मीन्स कोई भी नंबर है वो अपने टेबल में तो जाएगा ही. 4 के टेबल में जाएगा ही, 5 के टेबल में जाएगा, 6 के टेबल में, लाइक दिस. ओके, सी द लास्ट पॉइंट, 1 इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. मीन्स 1 के टेबल में भी सारे नंबर्स आते हैं. 4 भी आएगा, 5 भी, 2, 3, 6, 7 ऑल. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट फैक्टर्स ऑफ अ नंबर, फर्स्ट यू विल राइट 1 and the number itself, means 1 and 4. If we are finding factors of 4, 1 and 4 are the factors, and अदर देन दीज 1 and 4 और कौन सी टेबल में जाता है? 4 आपका 2 के टेबल में जाता है. मीन्स 1, 2 and 4 आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4. मल्टीपल मीन्स टेबल एंड फैक्टर मीन्स आपने देखना है कि वो नंबर कौन से टेबल में जाता है. ओके डियर, now we are going to start exercise 5th A. See question 1, 2 and 3 same questions as I have explained. Fill ups or tick the right answer. Question 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now see question number 4th. Write the first 2 common multiples of 5 and 3. First 2 common multiples. But I told you multiple means you have to write the table. First you will write table of 5. It means multiples of 5 means you will write table of 5. Then next multiples of 3 means again you will write table of 3. Now you will have to find out first 2 common multiples. Common means the multiples which are coming in both the numbers 5 and 3. These are called common multiples. B part also same, 4, 6 and 8. First you will write these 3 tables 4, 6 and 8. Then you will see the multiples which are common you have to write. Common means जो आपका तीनों में आ रहा है, 4 में भी, 6 में भी और 8 में भी. जो numbers आपके तीनों टेबल में आ रहे हैं, these will come in common multiples. Now see question number 5 also same. Write the first 3 common multiples of 10 and 15. Here you have to write first 3 common multiples. First you will write table of 10, then table of 15, then you will write 3 common multiples. Same B part. Here also table of 2, then table of 3, and then table of 6. Okay, then you will write first 3 common multiples of 2, 3 and 6. Okay dear. Now see next question, 8th question. Write 3 factors of the following numbers other than 1 and the number itself. आपने factors लिखने हैं but other than 1 and the number itself. A part is 36 means 1 and number itself means 36. You will not write 1 and 36. You will not write. You will write other factors. How will we find out factors? See, 36 is an even number. It will be divisible by 2. 2 multiplied by 18. Okay, these two are factors of 36. अब 2 के बाद देखो 36 आपके 3 के टेबल में भी आ रहा है. 3 multiplied by 12. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट किस टेबल में आ रहा है आपका? 6 के टेबल में भी आ रहा है. 6 6 36. You have to write only 3. Any 3 you can write. Okay, I have written here more than 3 but you can write any 3. Same B part, 45 factors of 45. देखो, you will not write 1 and 45 but rest of the factors, any 3 factors you can write. Okay dear. Now see question number 9th. Write all the factors. Here we have to write all the factors of 32 and B part 56 other than 1 and the number themselves. Here also 1 and the number, this in A part see 32 we will not write. Rest of the numbers all we will write. Now see, it will be divisible by 2 because it is an even number. After 2 it will be divisible by 4. 2 multiplied by 16 and 4 multiplied by 8. Then how can you show these factors? You can write in ascending order. First 2, then 4, then 8 and 16 are the factors. Same B part 56. You will not write 1 and the number itself means 56 and 1 you will not write. Rest of the factors you will write. मतलब 56 कौन से टेबल में आते हैं you will write. Then in factors of 56 you will write all the factors in ascending order. Okay dear. Now see question number 10th. Write the even numbers between 88 and 99. Very simple question. Simply I am explaining. You have to write even numbers. After 88, what will be next even number? 90, then 92, then 94, 96 and 98. Okay. Now it's B part. Write the last 5 odd numbers that are less than 900. Means 900 से छोटे वाले आपने odd numbers लिखने हैं. 900 से पहले आपका 899, then 897, then 895, then 893 and last 891. Now see it C part. Write the first 4 digit even numbers. First 4. 1000 से आपकी 4 digit counting start होती है. तो 1000 is an even number, then 1002, then 1004, then 1006. Okay dear. Easy exercise. If you have not understood, then try to listen this video again. Okay my dear children. God bless you. Thank you very much.